didn't realize how busy my day was until like it started. I was like,
Oh, I knew it was gonna be. I knew it was gonna be busy, but I worked in the morning, so that I literally got home and started studying and doing the test stuff. So I've been busy too. Now we're not allowed to talk about like the details of the test. But have you taken the multiple choice one yet?
I just submitted it.
Really?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
I got like an 83%. So it looks like I must have missed 2.
That's exactly what I just got. So.
But I'm not mad about it.
I know, it's like 82. Like, I'll take it.
Yeah. Especially since there's only 12 questions. So.
Yeah, and it's the first test you've taken in this class. So.
Yeah. And that's not even gonna be the total score. Oops, sorry.
Or yeah, because you still have the written, and there's a bonus on the written, which is nice. So.
Yeah. I haven't finished that yet, so much fun.
Oh yeah, I'm working on it too, but in fact, I was just doing it before this little meeting. Okay, so you haven't done much to. Have you done any of the homework for this week?
No, I haven't. I should be doing it, but I haven't had a chance to do it yet.
No, it's okay. I just started that today too. So we both don't know what we're doing.
I Googled completing the square, if that counts as anything, but not really learned anything from it. I just looked it up.
Sorry, 1 second. Let's go to the preparation. Let's make a little leeway on one of the extension problems, and I have the missionaries coming over at 5:30.
Okay.
So let's make a little leeway, and then we can go from there.
Yeah.
Pull up the key actually, just so we know what we're talking about.
I forgot there was a key.
Okay, so 1 second. Where are you? Okay, I'm gonna start screen sharing with my desktop. Send to everyone. Okay, now it's crazy. There we go. Sorry. Where's Safari? Sorry. Oh, there it is. Okay. So number 1, I've kind of made some leeway, but I am stuck somewhere. So
yeah.
I'll teach.
Go ahead.
I'll teach you the first part, or like as far as I know where to go. Yeah. But after that, I might need your help if you figure it out.
Okay.
So, what were you gonna say something?
I looked it up and like on this website called Purple Math. It's in kind of somewhere I've been looking at often as we go through this, and it talked about some of the steps to do this.
Okay.
But you can go ahead and say what you were going to say.
So, I know this much. If you have a piece of paper or pencil or whatever, you can write it down.
Okay.
But I know with fx equals 3x squared minus 4x plus 8, the first thing I do is I take the 3x squared and I move the 3 underneath the 4x. Mm-hmm. So you end up with, oh, that's loud. You end up with 4 over 3.
Yeah.
And after that, you divide it by 2. And that's how you get the 2/3. And that's part of the intercept and x-intercept if you see the key.
Yeah.
Right here it says x minus 2/3. The only problem after that is I don't know how you end up with the 20/3.
So on here it says I don't really know how to like show you this, how you're like super
Oh, here. Let me get off screen share. I'm going to stop. And then on the Google Hangouts, on the side column, there's like 5 different little icons. The green one with the box, the white arrow in it.
Yeah.
Just click screen share and then click your desktop. Then I can see whatever you're doing on your desktop.
Oh, did I do it right?
Yep.
It looks the same to me. Can you see my screen?
It looks the same for you, but I can see what you're doing.
Okay, so this is what I was just looking at. It's like how they found the x-intercepts.
Okay.
Which it looks like they like subtracted, they would have subtracted the 8 over. Or was it, I wasn't sure what the problem was. It's either they subtract or add the 8 over. Then
Okay. There you go. This is the original problem. 4x squared minus 2x minus 5.
so they subtract the 5 and then
So yeah, you put the 4 into that, it's 1/2, and you divide it by 2, that's 1/16. Okay, that makes sense.
so then they
1/2, 1/16.
well, then they did something like x squared minus 1/2 x plus 1/16 equals 5/4 plus 1/16. So maybe it does something like that on the 8.
Interesting. 1/4 minus 21/4. Okay. Okay. So I'm curious. It looks like they came up with 5/4 relatively fast.
Well, it looks like they just did the same thing. They just divided that 4 but with the 2x and the 5.
Okay. That's helpful. I'm going to go back to mine. Check that out real fast.
I don't know how to stop.
So if I take, oh, okay. So
I could probably just send you this link.
Yeah, send me the link because I'm interested in that.
Or I'm assuming you're using a Mac. You might be able to just get it on your computer.
Okay.
It'll at least come to your phone. That could help you.
Yeah, that'll be fine, and then I could like email it to myself or something.
Yeah.
Interesting. Cool. Screen sharing. Okay. So I'm having a difficulty right at the beginning. They divide on your problem. They divided the 5. It's like 5 divided by 4.
Yeah. Well, do we want to try to do maybe this problem that we actually have and try to see if we can follow those steps?
That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay.
I'm gonna pull up the link that you brought. Okay. 5/4 plus 1/16.
So then we're supposed to divide it by 2, you said? 2x over 3?
Sorry, 1 second, 1 second. Let me go back to my thing. There we go. extension problem. No. So you take the 3x squared and put it underneath the 4.
Mm-hmm.
So it would be 4 over 3.
Yeah.
And then after that, you divide it by 2.
So that makes what? 2.
It makes 2 over 3. Because if you divide it by 2, you can basically multiply the denominator by 2.
Yeah.
So if it's 4 over 3, you do 3 times 2, which is 4 over 6, which is also technically 2 over 3 if you simplify it.
Oh, that still doesn't equal 20 over whatever.
Yeah, that's where I'm a little confused, is in the example you showed me where it's 4x squared minus 2x minus 5. They took the 4 and put it underneath the 5. So in this case, you'd put the 3 and put it under the 8. So you have 8 over 3. So I'm just curious of how you get 20 over 3 instead of 8.
Well, then I think you have to times it by negative 2 over 3. Oh, no, wait, you add. No, that doesn't make sense. Yeah, because here they have 5 over 4 plus 116.
116 plus. Let me see. 4 times 5. Okay.
Wow. Maybe I can like find a.
Hold on, I think I'm getting somewhere. 1 second. 2 over 3. Oh, that's why. Yeah. Okay. So we have 2 over 3, right?
Yeah.
So we need to square that. So 2 squared is 4, and then 3 squared is 9. So you got 4 over 9, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so you move that down next to the 8 over 3. And you have, and then you have to either add or subtract the 4 over 9 with the 8 over 3. So what you do is you get the denominators to match. So you want 8 over 3 to match the 4 over 9.
Mm-hmm.
So you bring the denominator for 3 to 9. And then you times 8 by 3. So that leaves you 24. And then you subtract the 4 over 9. And that leaves you, no, that doesn't work.
I mean, well, when I looked up this one, I just looked up like a quadratic equation solver with steps that like shows you the steps, and it's doing exactly what you said, except for it still has negative 20 over 9.
Exactly.
So,
And it should be 20 over 3. So either A, her key is wrong, or I don't know.
yeah, I can show you this if you want to see this thing.
Let me see.
It's weird. But like, here's kind of like a key or like a solver thing. So I just like typed in oh, it's out of there. But I just typed in this part, and it came out with like these steps.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Which is what you were doing, except for it's not what she said.
Huh. Well, helps me feel a little more confident in myself.
Yeah, that you know what you're doing because It looks like you know what you're doing. Sounds like it.
Awesome. Well, sweet.
So maybe we could either, maybe she just hasn't realized that it's wrong yet because no one has said anything to her.
I feel like a lot of people either they're super go-getters and they're super ahead of the game, or I have a feeling a lot of people are just like us that have been so busy with the tests and everything that they haven't had time to
Yeah,
figure this out.
because I definitely have been more focused on the exam than the so far.
That's kind of how I feel. But hey, I have to get ready for the missionaries. Thanks for sending me that link, and I will meet with you next Tuesday.
All right, sounds good.
Awesome. Good luck on the rest of the test, by the way.
Good luck.
Okay, have a good one. Bye.